Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create landing pages in Canva step by step. So if you want to promote a product, grow your business, collect leads, or build a simple one-page website without coding, yeah, Canva makes the whole process surprisingly easy. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Now use the search bar and type landing page, so Canva will show a collection of ready-made templates you can customize. Next, choose a template that matches your business, product, or personal brand. I mean, starting with a clean template saves a lot of design time. To make the page look more professional, match the colors and fonts with your brand style. I mean, consistent branding makes websites feel more trustworthy. Before publishing, click Preview to check how the page looks on desktop and mobile devices. Always test the layout before sharing it publicly. When everything looks good, click Publish Website. Canva lets you use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain name. After publishing, you can share the landing page link anywhere and update the design whenever needed. So Canva automatically updates the live version after republishing. And that's basically how to create landing pages in Canva from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to build clean and professional pages without needing any coding skills.